Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about structure of a nephron. So it is also one of the important topics in biology. So before that, subscribe the channel, share the channel, like the channel. So biology classes are available in our toppers class and also easy pull channel. So subscribe the channel, share the channel, and like the channel. Okay, today we are going to discuss about structure of a nephron. Nephrons are the structural functional units of excretory system. Structural functional filtration units make excretory system. So in each kidney 1.3 to 1.8 million nephrons are present. In each kidney 1.3 to 1.8 million nephrons are present in each. Nephrons are also called uriniferous tubules. Uriniferous tubules. So now we are going to discuss about the structure of nephron and their parts. So each nephron has two main parts. So first part is small Asian body, and second one is the renal tubule. Small Asian body consisting of two parts, Bowman's capsule and also glomerulus. Okay, Bowman's capsule. This is what blind cup-shaped broad structured. It's called Bowman's capsule. Bowman's capsule. Blind cup-shaped broader structure of nephron. It's called Bowman's capsule. Okay, next glomerulus. Bunch of fine blood capillaries. Bunch of fine blood capillaries called glomerulus. It's called what? Glomerulus. Each Bowman's capsule accommodate glomerulus. Okay, bunch of fine blood capillaries are called glomerulus, and which is accommodated by Bowman's capsule. So both Bowman's capsule and glomerulus together constitute to form Maltesian body. Maltesian body also called Maltesian capsule, or also called renal capsule. Maltesian body, also called Maltesian capsule, renal capsule. So glomerulus and Bowman's capsule. Flight cup shape broader structure is called Bowman's capsule, and fine blood capillaries called glomerulus. Bowman's capsule together constitute Maltesian body also called renal capsule, also called Maltesian capsule. Okay, so how the glomerulus is formed? You know that renal arteries carry oxygenated blood from artery to all parts of the body. So your renal artery, renal means what? Kidney. The blood vessel which carry the blood from artery to kidneys. Renal artery, reaching oxygenated blood and waste materials. So the blood vessel which carry oxygenated blood from artery to kidneys, rich in oxygen and also waste material. So renal artery furtherly divide into very fine tubular structures are called apparent artery. So apparent arterial to form glomerulus, and efferent arterial, the blood vessel which is away from the glomerulus, away from the Bowman's capsule is called efferent. Means what? Away. Efferent means what? Away from Bowman's capsule. Efferent means the blood vessel towards the Bowman's capsule. Towards the Bowman's capsule is what? Efferent arterial. So renal artery further divided into very fine tubular structures are called apparent arterial, which carry blood towards the Bowman's capsule. towards Bowman's capsule, towards Bowman's capsule, occurring artery, and away from the Bowman's capsule is called echocardioid. What do you do? Okay, both Bowman's capsule and glomerulus together constitute to form one piece part. There is the first part of next renal tubule. Renal tubule is having three parts. It has three parts. First one is first convoluted tubule. First convoluted tubule is also called PCT, and the second one is loop of Finlay. Next, second convoluted tubule BCT. It is also called distal convoluted tube. So this part, except small pigeon body, the remaining tube-like structure, tubular structure of nephron is called renal tubule. Renal means kidney. Renal tubule has three parts. So PCT, loop of and east. So three parts. It has three parts. Renal tubule has three parts. So first we will discuss the first part of renal tubule. PCT. PCT is also called a proximal convoluted tubule. Is also called first convoluted tube. So where it is located? PCT. Where PCT is located? So after Bowman's capsule, after glomerulus and Bowman's capsule is called together called Malpighian A1. After Malpighian body, the remaining part of nephron tubular structure is called renal tube. After the Malpighian body, the curve or the coil, the first coil shape is called PC, proximal convoluted tube. PC, proximal convoluted tube. It is also called first convoluted tube. First coil structure after Malpighian. This is what this part is called a PC. Next part of renal tubule is loop of U shape. What is the shape of that? U shape. Loop of tubule. And next part of renal tubule is PCT. It is also called second convoluted tubule. Second convoluted tubule. So second coil structure. This is the first coil structure, PCT, and the second high coil structure is this distal convoluted tube, DCT. So DCT is connected with the collecting duct. All the collecting duct together constitute to form pyramids and calyces. Pyramids and calyces are opens into pelvis. And from pelvis to the urine is passes to the next part of excretory system, urinary bladder, by the help of ureters. Ureters carry the urine from pelvis of kidneys to urinary bladder. So collecting ducts, all the collecting ducts together to form pyramid and calyces. Calyces were open into pelvis. So here this is about what two main parts of nephron. Nephron has one point. Each nephron has two parts, and each kidney has 1.3 to 1.8 millions of nephrons. Nephrons are also called uriniferous tubes. So each nephron has two parts, Malpighian body and a renal tube. So if you see that Bowman's capsule is made up of with a single layer epithelial cell, and they are porous for the filtering of blood. They are also called filtering units. Glomerulus, Bowman's capsule, here due to that narrowness of front arterial, the blood is filtered here. So glomerulus is called a filtering unit of nephron. Here. Next, podocyte cell. Then after filtering, the blood flows into the renal tubule. Bowman's capsule. Bowman's capsules are made up of Bowman capsule made up of with a single layer epithelial cells. Cells are called podocyte cells. They are porous, filter the substances. The blood is filtered glomerulus into Bowman's capsule. So podocyte cells, Bowman's capsules are made up of with a single layer epithelial cells called podocyte cells. They are porous cells which helps to filter the substances, separate the substances in the blood, useful and harmful substance. Podocyte cells. Important. Podocyte cells. Bowman's capsule is made up of with a single layer epithelial cells are called podocyte cells. Okay, this is about what structure of a nephron. Okay, if you see that renal tubule, Montesian body and a renal tubule. Renal tubule is having three parts: DCT, lupapilla, and DC. Renal tubule is around the renal tubule. There are many blood capillaries around the renal tubule. Very fine blood capillaries are there. They are called very capillary network. Very capillary network. So around the renal tubule, fine blood capillaries, okay, which is away from the glomerulus efferent arteriole around the renal tubule will present. They are called pericapillary network. Pericapillary network. Renal tubule surrounded by the very fine blood tubular structures, very fine blood vessels, capillaries, blood capillaries called pericapillary network. Then pericapillary network, the renal tubule. Next, after filtration of that blood, the next nephron, the useful substances carried by another blood vessel, renal venule. All the renal venule, one renal venule is connected with the another renal venule, and finally joined with the other renal venules and to form renal vein. Renal vein is vein which carry the deoxygenated blood and purified blood. Deoxygenated blood and all the waste materials are purified in there. So the blood except deoxygenated blood carried by renal vein and all the useful substances carried by the renal vein towards the heart pump that useful substances to the all parts of the body. After removal of deoxygenated blood by the lungs, again the useful substances are transported, distributed to the all parts of the body. Okay, this is about what structure of a nephron. So once we discuss again, nephron has two main parts: Montesian body consisting of two parts, Bowman's capsule, blind cup-shaped broader structure. It's called Bowman's capsule, and a bunch of blood capillaries. From both Bowman's capsule and together constitute a Montesian body. Is also called Montesian capsule and also renal capsule. And next part of nephron is renal tubule, which is having three parts. So first convoluted tubule PCT, perfectly, and the second convoluted tubule DCT. So this is about what structure of a nephron. Nephrons are also called uriniferous tubules. Each nephron has 1.3 to 1.8 millions of nephrons. So this is about what? Structure of a nephron. So three parts of venonuclear, DCT, dopamine, and DCT. Okay, thank you all. Next time we'll discuss another topic. Thank you all.